Hello, interior design enthusiasts and homeowners. Flooring can set the tone for your entire living space, and when it comes to elegance and style, Parquet Flooring takes center stage. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Parquet Flooring, exploring how you can style your home with new and captivating Parquet designs. Whether you're aiming for a classic or modern look, Parquet has the power to transform your space. Let's embark on this journey to elevate your home decor with Parquet Flooring designs. Segment 1: Herringbone Elegance. Herringbone Pattern. Herringbone Parquet Flooring is known for its elegant and sophisticated look. Traditional appeal, it pairs beautifully with classic and traditional interior designs. Segment 2: Chevron Chic. Chevron Pattern. Chevron Parquet is a contemporary take on herringbone, offering a fresh and chic vibe. Modern glamour. It's perfect for modern and glamorous interiors. Segment 3: Basket Weave Charm. Basket Weave Pattern. Basket Weave Parquet adds texture and depth to your flooring. Cozy aesthetic. It's a great fit for cozy and inviting spaces. Segment 4: Versatile Color Palette. Light and dark tones. Parquet comes in various wood shades, from light oak to rich walnut. Blend and contrast. Experiment with blending or contrasting Parquet colors to match your decor. Segment 5: Parquet as an accent. Inlay design. Use Parquet as an inlay within a larger floor area to create a striking focal point. Custom artistry. Customize your Parquet design to reflect your personal style. Dining rooms. Set an inviting atmosphere in your dining room. In conclusion, Parquet Flooring is a design gem that can transform your home into a haven of style and elegance. Whether you prefer the classic herringbone, modern chevron, textured basket weave, versatile colors, using Parquet as an accent, or styling different spaces, Parquet offers endless possibilities. Thanks for joining us on this journey to style your home with new Parquet Flooring designs.